First of all, you have to know the correlation that we are having a cultural event, we are having ram walk, dance, singing. So everybody was asking that, like, what is the correlation between a talk, health talk, and all these things. So I must tell you that youngsters, they are having a lot of health issues, mainly stress, and they are adopting lifestyle which is bad for their health, and also some of them, they are getting addicted to some substances that is not good for their health. So we have to adopt better methods of de-stressing. So we will tell you what are the benefits, because you may be doing singing for so many years, you have been doing dancing for so many years, many of you must have walked the ramp also, but did you realize that it has any health importance? So today my purpose is to show you the correlation between the two. So whenever I ask you a question, you have to be very proactive and answer promptly, because we have a long program and we have shortage of time. Many people, they are afraid of going to a doctor, and they are afraid of consulting a doctor or taking his advice, and they think that we have to go to a doctor only if we fall very ill. Otherwise they will take advice of their friends, relatives, or at the most they will go to a chemist and ask कि मुझे ये problem हो रही है and मुझे कोई दवाई suggest कर दो. But very few people, they go to the doctor. But today I want to make you aware that you don't have to wait till you have a problem. There are so many ways we can find out that we are likely to have a problem, maybe after 20 years, maybe after 30 years. So if you realize today, then we can prevent what is going to happen in the future. So you must have seen, this is the heart that the doctors know. We have been taught in anatomy about this heart, and this is the heart which you all know. And there is a saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but if the doctor is cute, forget the fruit. And a good doctor will advise you that take apple, take more fruits, take more vegetables, and you will be more healthy. So today we will tell you small things which will help you in improving your lifestyle. So today I'll change many of your concepts. First of all, it's not necessary that only your spouse or your boyfriend will be the Valentine. Your teacher is a very important person in your life who teaches you everything. My mother was also a teacher. She was the principal in Shimla, and then she became the district education officer, and after that she became the deputy director of education in Himachal. So first of all your parents, then your teachers, and then your doctor is also important, and nowadays we can add many more. One by one, we celebrate February as the heart month, because heart disease is responsible for 1/3 of the deaths globally every year. So out of the 58 million deaths, 20 million they occur because of heart disease. So to spread the awareness, February, and most of the heart attacks, they occur in the winters. So therefore, this is known as the heart month. And in US, they have a celebration on the first Friday, Go Red. So they wear red. I also try to wear a little tinge of red today. Everybody wears red because red is खतरे का निशान. So you have to make people aware about the risk of heart disease, and 80% of the heart disease, it is preventable. Everybody knows that youngsters, they are getting stressed. Around 20 to 30% of the youngsters, they are having some severe form of stress which they are not able to express, because we have an educational system in which it is not very easy to express to the teachers, not very easy to tell your parents. Nobody approaches the doctor. So every youngster is under stress that whom should I contact. If you tell your friends, they'll make fun of you, they'll ridicule you. So you are in a dilemma whom to consult. So today we will try to have interactive sessions so that you openly feel comfortable in expressing your concerns, and we should be able to clear out those concerns. So our purpose is to make you comfortable, happy, and you should be stress free. So I'll show you more videos.
In it, Jeff Gordon down to the ground. Nothing else coming from behind you. And Kurt Busch went over and over.
Yeah, and running out of time. I mean, he's, desperate. And you see the 36 move down just a little bit. And Yaley and Stenhouse thought he could squeeze by on the next to the wall, and he just couldn't make it. And this kid's ugly. Watch his thing.
Right on top of Ryan Newman.
Hadn't Ryan Newman had cars on top of him before here?
I think the 2009 race.
I think you're right.
Brad Keselowski and Carl Edwards coming to the...
So, can you tell me what happened?
Everyone was racing, so race कर रहे थे और बीच में मतलब गाड़ी पे उनको ध्यान नहीं दिया खुद आगे जाने के लिए और accident
happened. Thank you so much. What is your name?
Sakshi.
So everybody clap and you have a talk. So my next question is life a race?
I don't think it's a race. It's a race with ourselves because we have to be a better version of ourselves, but we don't have to compete with one another and be the best because there are many people and we obviously cannot be the best.
So what is the destination of life?
Death.
What is your name?
Somewhere.
So the problem is that we have made our aims as our destination, but we have to realize that our destination is death. So everybody who starts life has to one day die. So what will happen if we run fast?
We will reach the destination early if we do the overspeeding and like race and all.
If we run fast, destination will come early, है ना? Because अगर आपको दिल्ली जाना है, अगर हाई स्पीड से जाओगे, एरोप्लेन से जाओगे 1 घंटे में पहुंच जाओगे, अगर ट्रेन से जाओगे तो 3 घंटे में पहुंच जाओगे, अगर साइकिल पे जाओगे तो बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा पहुंचने में. So we have to realize that we have to live life and enjoy life. If we enjoy life, we'll live longer and healthier. So on the road, have you seen somebody overtakes, honks from behind, overtakes, and in front there is a red light. So then they stop on the red light, and before it becomes green again, they start honking again. क्या impact होगा उससे?
So it shows that they are in a hurry. They are in a hurry to reach like wherever they want to. But the basic thing is that it doesn't happen all the time that you are late or you have to be there in time. What happens is that people don't have patience with them. So they just keep on hanging.
So everybody clap. What is the name? Lovely. So if you do this, you are creating stress for yourself and for others on the road. So that is what exactly happened here in the race. Like one car was trying to overtake the other one. They lost balance, and in the end so many cars they had the accidents and so many people they died. Similarly, you don't realize that on the roads when you create such stress, you are going to reach your destination. I don't know, it makes hardly a difference of 2-3 minutes from your home to your office. If you do these things, you may reach maybe 2-3 minutes earlier, but definitely you will reach your destination many years earlier. Yeah, you will meet death many years earlier if you are doing this thing. So from today, can you all promise that we will never do this on the road? We are just competing with each other. So we were not born to compete with each other. We have a life. We have to realize that life is not just meant to compete with each other. One day we were having a lot of stress while working. We always have, because cardiac surgeon is a very stressful profession. All the patients who come to us, they are about to die or they may die suddenly. So we have to do the surgery sometime in the middle of the night. Some young patient may come in the middle of the night. The wife is crying. They have small kids. So we are always under stress. So we have to do some de-stressing. So I thought that I'll join a dance class just to de-stress myself. So in the evening we used to go to the dance class, and the dance teacher was telling that you do this 3 times to the left, 2 times to the right, and then you do like this, then you jump and you land on the left knee. And everybody was confused, and then he was telling people, he was scolding people, your step is not coming correct. So I also started having pain in my knee. So I was worried that my ligament might tear off. So I requested him that, see, people come here to de-stress. So we are not going to destroy our health, our knees, for the sake of learning some complicated dancing steps. So then I quit dancing. So I thought, what else should I do? I went for swimming. So I was floating on the side. I used to close my eyes and float on the water. So on the 3rd day, the gym instructor, she was a lady, she came. Hey, डॉक्टर साहब कर क्या रहे हो आप 3 दिन से फ्लोट ही करे जा रहे हो. तो वो देखो आपके बाद आए थे, वो इधर से लेके वो डीप वाले पार्ट में जाके उसने रिवर्स स्ट्रोक भी कर लिया. फिर अगेन आई रिक्वेस्टेड है कि मैं यहाँ पे पूरा दिन स्ट्रेसफुल सर्जरी करके रिलैक्स करने के लिए आता हूँ. अगर मुझे भी यही कंपटीशन में करना है, मुझे कोई ओलंपिक्स में तो जाना नहीं है गोल्ड मेडल जीतने के लिए, तो देयर शुड बी सम एक्टिविटी वेयर आई कैन रिलैक्स. सो उसके बाद फिर मैंने सोचा कि मैं घर में ही मैंने एक कराओके का सिस्टम लगाया, एक होम थिएटर बना के उसमें सिंगिंग कभी कभी कर लेता हूँ जब ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस होता है. I sing and de-stress myself. Similarly, you have to also choose some activity in which you can de-stress yourself and which is not a competition.